Alright, so you should be logged into your Gmail address that you're going to use to set up your AdWords account. Really simple stuff. Just log into your Gmail, go into adwords.com, click sign up. It'll take you to this page where you're kind of forced to create your first campaign right off the bat. And this is going to be an AdWords Express campaign. It's just the way Google works. I guess, they never really say why they make you sign up for an AdWords Express account. My guess would be that it's more user-friendly interface for beginners who regular AdWords is very intimidating when you first log into it for somebody who doesn't know what they're doing. And AdWords Express is very simple. So we're just going to run through and just set this up. You can see here we set our budget at 5 a day. Remember, this is not going to go live. It's going to be turned on and immediately paused. United States search network. We're just going to use our main website, which is clicksgeek.com. So we just did some keywords for what the website is, which is pay-per-click. Bids, we'll just let AdWords set bids. We create our text ad, just white label PPC agency, get a free quote, top tier white label PPC company, blah, blah, blah. Okay, hit save and continue. And then you're immediately taken to the payment information or billing tab. You do have to set this up and make sure if you're an individual or if you're a business that you have the right account set up. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and skip through this, and I'm going to set this up, and then I'm going to come down here and hit finish and create ad, and then you do that too. Follow along with me, and I'll see you on the next page. Okay, so after we enter our billing information, set up everything, you should be taken to this page. Congratulations on your new AdWords account, and you have an AdWords Express ad running.